Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to share with you guys some coupons to print. Now I print my coupons off Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print. But I do want to mention to you guys they added some new coupons. Now I do want you to add these. I will probably do another video tomorrow, possibly letting you guys know a last chance. And then the first is coming up, so I'll be doing a lot of these coupon videos for the next couple days just to share with you guys coupons to print. But one thing I do want to have you guys do is the M&M Mars chocolate bars. That just popped up. It's a new coupon. We had it before, but now you're going to start seeing deals, especially for Valentine's Day. So we got that. Sir Kensington's. Now I just saw a bunch of deals on Ibotta, so I'm still going to print that off because you never know. One thing I do like is getting the Sun-Maid coupons. Those didn't last very long last time, and I like getting the little 6-pack of raisins just to have in my purse as a snack. So I wanted to get that. They did add some string cheese Tabasco sauce. It's kind of new, but I know we do have some coupons. I'm going to print that off just in case. Ajax, 25 cents. Otherwise, they don't have a lot, but I know those are new, and I just wanted to print those off. Here we got Too Good yogurt for 50 cents off. I'm not sure how much those cost, but I thought there was another new one, but I just wanted to share with you guys quickly a new coupon to print. Let me just go down to the bottom. I looked, but then I forgot. There hasn't been very many coupons on coupons.com, but yeah, these are the ones that you can still print again if you guys haven't used your limit yet. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.